Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question states areolar connective tissue joins bone with bones, fat bodies with muscles, integuments with muscles, or bones with muscles. In the question, हमें पूछा गया है कि alveolar connective tissue किसको join करती है? What is this connective tissue? This is a loose connective tissue that comprises of semi-fluid ground substances, and these substances contain several loosely arranged fibers. So, what is this function of the areolar connective tissue? This functions in the attachment. Like all connective tissues, this help in the attachment. What does this attach? This attach the skin to underlying tissue that filling the space between the various organs. तो हम एक बार ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं. ऑप्शन में हमें बोला गया है that it connects bone with bones, which is not correct because bones with bones is connected by ligament. ऑप्शन बी में हमें बोला गया है fat bodies with muscles. Fat bodies with muscles, these are connected with the help of adipose tissues. So this option also gets cancelled out. Integument with muscles, this is the correct option because हमने देखा है that it connects skin to underlying tissues and filling the gap between various organs. So our correct answer will be option C is the correct answer, and option D, that is bone with muscles. Bones with muscles are connected with the help of tendons. So we can say the alveolar connective tissue is joint or joins the integument with muscle. The question states areolar connective tissue joins. The answer will be option C, that is integument with muscles, because it connects the skin to underlying tissues and they fill the space between organs. So we can say that it attaches the integument, that is the skin, with that of the muscles and also fills the space because it is a semi-fluid ground substance. So our answer will be option C, integument with muscle. Hope you understood it well. Best.